Did you know that the Chinese got all different kind of skills? The Chinese are unique to build anything and everything. Bang ding ding. Dang ding ding. If your car wheel is punctured, they put some pin and give you some acupuncture. Chinese herb doctor. Puncture, acupuncture. You never see a Chinese kissing his girl on the street. The Chinese do everything secretly. The Chinese, they say, have the strongest dick because him eat and drink all them mutton sing. I think we got black man with them big, long, dead fat cock. They go, so the Chinese, you know. So they push something in them cock. Oh, cocky good now. You go fucky, cocky good. Come back, you get cocky good. I'm glad I ain't got a big cock. When you get old, that blood don't run to the cock, you know, that fucks off like a mushroom. You really remember what Chinese ain't got a dick? Got the stiffest dick in the whole world, little bitch. The Chinese are fucking smart. Let me tell you something, motherfucker. When a Chinese having sex, you don't come in. I come no. Then the Chinaman come when you want to get the woman pregnant. I know that. You know that? Okay. Oh fuck, man. Can you imagine it? Kobe fucking Bryant. He's in the fucking ace, you know. Just leave early in your fucking lemon. What you want to wait? You want to beat traffic. Beat traffic, your blood clot. You leave at 1 o'clock. Or 2 o'clock. Or do your appointment at 6. Kick back your limousine. Rest them across the road and kick back and blah, blah, blah. That's what it is. That's how John Kennedy Jr. died too, you know. He didn't know how to fly in the fucking stormy weather. Fucked up. Now, this pilot is a professional pilot. Okay? The police helicopter said, fuck you, ain't flying today. All the helicopters were grounded due to the fucking smog. And he was flying below the radar. And they said, motherfucker, you're flying below the radar. Bring that shit over here. Before the fucking helicopter took off, you know, the man said, Cobra, wait. But because of a fucking little basketball game, you don't want to reach there half an hour late. Or cancel the blood clot flight. Because my daughter can't play the basketball. She should be in school learning mathematics. You a fucking fool. Kobe, you little fucking bitch. Give away his fucking life. The pilot said, Kobe is not good to fly with and enforce the pilot. You know that. You force the pilot. You gonna do it. Because as Donald Trump said, you're fired. If the motherfucker disobey Kobe Bryant, the idiot idea to fly the plane, he'd have been fired. But he risked his life by not being fired by big bumble Kobe Bryant with his big blood clot money. So the man risked his fucking life. That's why he was flying under the radar to get out of the fucking smog and the fucking all kind of shit. And the fucking plane went down. Kobe killed himself and killed other people. Do we have a survivor? No. Is there any black box in the fucking plane? So we can't even listen to shit? Because Kobe Bryant did with that shit. Jim Boss, I'm so glad you're not in that fucking plane. And I'm so glad, Jim Boss, when he introduced my son to Kobe Bryant, Kobe said, wow, he's so smart. That's your son, Jamaican? Yes, bitch. So what if Jimbo never fucked me up? Maybe I'm on the fucking flight in America with my blood clot son, Kobe blood clot Bryant. Cause you rich fools. The Chinese would have never done such thing. The Chinese. And that plane is not built by Chinese. Bitch, bang ding ding. God bless the Chinese.